joined in 1991 and he had worked almost in all departments in HPCL like engineering projects, aviation, technical audit, LPG projects, retail engineering and finally in SOT.
आपका हर बार वो स्माइली चेहरा देखता हूँ, लाइक स्माइल। रायपुर में सप्लाई कंस्ट्रेंट्स था एंड सर ने हेल्प किया हमारे जो मेजर कस्टमर है।
तो पूरा कंट्री में सप्लाई का बहुत ज़्यादा इश्यूज था, तो सर ऑलमोस्ट एक हफ्ते तक पूरा नाइट पारादीप टर्मिनल चला के इंश्योर किया एंड उड़ीसा स्टेट ऐसा था कि 3 दिन के अंदर सारे आउटलेट में सप्लाई रिस्टोर हो गया। दैट वाज अप्रिशिएटेड बाय आवर ईडीए डायरेक्टर मार्केटिंग। गोपाल सर ने एक साल में क्लोज टू 100+ प्रपोजल क्लियर किया है। सर थैंक यू सो मच।
To always have problem in Patna and Begusarai, Bokaro में he has handled it quite effectively.
सर जिस हिसाब से हैंडल किए हैं कूलली विदाउट एनी डिफिकल्टीज, और सर को कभी भी मैं देखता हूँ कूल रहते हैं, स्माइल में रहते हैं एंड कोई भी इश्यूज जो है बटन्स नहीं रहता है, पेंडिंग नहीं रहता है।
All have spoken about you. It really shows how dedicated and committed you are and the energy you are carrying with you. All the officers get motivated by seeing such officers in their work life.
Such hidden talent is within him. Such energy, such dedication.
I know just like a elder brother, he used to always take care of me. So he is a very nice human being. इतना अच्छा ह्यूमन बीइंग है जो हम बयान नहीं कर सकते। और टुवर्ड्स द जूनियर्स उनका एक कंपैशन है and he always try to nurture the junior people.
It is my first time after 1991. But he is the only son who blessed special qualities by Almighty. I saw him never losing temper. With the grace of God, I am here and bless him. Future prosperous.
एक तो स्टार्ट जो है वेरी कूल एंड कंपोज्ड, वो कुछ ज़्यादा ये नहीं करते और मैम जो है सीधा सीधा बोल देते हैं, तो ये कॉम्बिनेशन अच्छा है।
And madam has also nurtured you very well.
Today is definitely a very special and emotional day for me as I stand before you after completing 34.5 years. Wonderful years with HPCL. When I joined HPCL long back, 34 years ago, I was a young employee. I was eager to learn, contribute and build a career. Little did I know that this organization would become such an important and integral part of my life and shape me both professionally and personally. Over these years, I witnessed many changes, new technology, evolving business practices, organizational growth. The organization has grown numerous and of course the challenges also increased. Every phase HPCL provided opportunity to learn, grow and serve. The journey has been filled with valuable experiences, memories and achievements and lessons that I will carry with me forever. HPCL has given me the entire opportunity to each one of us to showcase our talent and in fact allow us to learn by doing mistakes. And that is the best quality which I have seen in HPCL. You can learn by doing the mistakes, which is not there in the private organizations. So I am very thankful to the corporation for giving me opportunity to work in various departments in marketing, such as engineering, aviation, technical audit, LPG projects, retail engineering, and then now this SOT. So I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the management, my seniors, mentors, colleagues and team members who have guided, supported, inspired me throughout my career. And I am not right if I am not mentioning some of the names who has molded my career during this last 34 years. So some of the seniors like S.K. Savla and Manohar and Mr. Zairaji, he was my first guide, you can say, because I joined him in the 92 at Kandla. So he was having a very good, rich experience in the terminal operation. And I joined as a just after passing my college. So he was my mentor at that time. And Mr. KJ Rao, now who is the CGM supply distribution. And SP Singh, Manoj Sharma, Krishan Lal, Nitin Pradhan, who is not there, who is left. B.S. Birod, who has retired. R. Radhakrishnan, Rajni Saraj sir, Prabhatam, S. Reddy, A. Surya Rao, S. Srinivasulu, S. Nandi, Ritesh Kumar, Vachi Viswanath, Brahmanand Reddy, Pawan Saigal, Hemant Kakade, R. Bharat, C. R. Vijay Kumar sir, K.C. Nandi sir. These are the people, I mean, under them I have worked, and they have molded my career. I am especially thankful to my colleague who became more than co-workers, they become the friends and extended family. Together we celebrated success, faced challenges, solved problems, create memories that I will always cherish. I would like to thank my family for their unmeasurable patience, understanding and encouragement, and sacrifices made it possible for me to dedicate myself to my responsibilities over these many years. This milestone belongs as much to them as to me. As I retire today, I leave with a heart full of gratitude, pride and satisfaction. I am proud to we have been a part of HPCL journey and contributed in my own way to its growth and success. In my opinion, retirement is not an ending, but the beginning of a new chapter. I look forward to spending more time with my family, pursuing personal interests and embracing new experiences. While I may be leaving my official role, the friendship, memories and values I've gained here will remain with me forever. Thank you all for all support, friendship, cooperation over the years. I wish HPCL and all of you continued success, growth and happiness in the year. Just दो लाइन एक कविता का बोलना चाहूँगा कि विदाई नहीं नई शुरुआत, आज मैं इस मोड़ पर आकर कुछ यादों की दीप जलाता हूँ, जीवन के इस सफ़र को मुस्कुराकर आज निभाता हूँ। कल तक था मैं समय का साथी, आज समय मेरा अपना है, कर्तव्य की राहें पूरी करके अब हर सपना अपना है। इस दफ्तर ने बहुत कुछ दिया, दोस्त दिए, सम्मान दिया, हर मुश्किल में साथ निभाया, जीने का नया ज्ञान दिया। यदि कभी मुझसे भूल हुई हो तो दिल से मुझे क्षमा कीजिए। जो भी अच्छे पल हमने बांटे उन्हें सदा याद रखें। आज विदा है, कल फिर मिलेंगे। यादों के इस बहाने से आप सबके प्रेम और सम्मान का ऋणी रहूँगा अपने जीवन में। धन्यवाद। आपका स्नेह ही मेरी सबसे बड़ी कमाई है। So thank you once again for arranging this beautiful program, and with bottom of my heart, I would like to convey best wishes to each one of you, wishing all of you a great future. Thank you.
I wish you all the best in future.
स्माइल बहुत अच्छा लगता है, ऐसे ही मुस्कुराते रहिए। हाँ,
The remaining this thing, part of your life that will be full of joy, enjoyment and happiness.
Definitely will miss you and wish you all the best, sir.
मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आपकी जो सेकंड इनिंग्स है जल्दी रहे।
We'll miss you terribly, so please promise to keep in touch.
स्वस्थ रहें, खुश रहें।
गॉड का डायरेक्ट ब्लेसिंग है आपके ऊपर से।
I think 1/3 of our life we have spent here, 8 to 10 hours every day we spend, so almost 1/3 of our life we have spent for HPCL. So HPCL is really जो बोलते हैं it is a second family.
अभी आप सब लोगों ने जैसे मेंशन किया कि HPCL is the second family for all the employees, पर मेरे पापा के केस में HPCL is first family only.
हम भी HPCL को मिस करेंगे, so very integral part of our lives and yes, very close to our hearts. So yeah, thank you.